Hi, I'm Pam Medina, and welcome to my yoga studio. So, I wanted to just go over with you one of the first poses that you'll do when you start your yoga. It's called Sukhasana or easy pose. And for most people, it's not so easy. So, this posture is basically what Sukhasana looks like. But I've been practicing yoga for a really long time. And so it's easy for me to sit like this. When you first start doing yoga, you may not be able to sit like this without having a lot of pain and tension. You might look like this, your shoulders might be hunched over, you might have a lot of trouble. So I want to show you a few things that you can do to troubleshoot. Um, so one way to do that is by using a blanket to sit on. So I really like to have the Mexican style blankets. They are firm and they're not slippery, and you can do a lot of things with them. So the way to use the blanket is you just lift up and put your sits bones down on the blanket. And what you can see here is that it has created a nice little lumbar curve in my lower back. Okay, without the blanket, I'm a little bit more flat here. Okay, and with the blanket, I'm lifting my hips, and that just takes a lot of um, pressure off the lower back and helps you to sit up tall. So that's one way. And that's like for your average beginner. Now, if you find that that's not helping you, you're probably going to be more comfortable in a gentle class and you might want to start on with this. But that's not necessarily true because you might just be tight in your hips and you're very strong and flexible in other ways. So you could try sitting on a bolster. And most people, if they need to sit on the bolster, they also need some blocks to go underneath their knees. So and let me just show you what that would look like facing forward. So Sukha means easy, and asana means to be. And you'll always hear asana at the end of the Sanskrit words for these postures. So here I am sitting on the bolster, and I got my butt right up on the edge. I'm sitting on the edge, and I have my blocks under my knees. And of course, I would review that with you the first time you attended class. And if I could see you on the video that you're struggling, or if you opened the class, letting me know that, which we always have a little bit of time at the beginning and the end to kind of connect and find out how things are going. So engaging the navel, the shoulders up, back and down, and then you can bring the thumb and pointer finger pads together to touch as well if you'd like. And this is how we start to get centered and we breathe. And it's not always how we start, but a lot of times we do. You always have the option as well, just sit on a chair. So, um, and so a little bit about benefits of Sukhasana. Strengthens your core, strengthens your back muscles, helps you to just be here now inside yourself. And it's very grounding, opens the hips as well. So enjoy learning more about Sukhasana and how it helps you in my classes. I'm offering your first month of yoga online with me, unlimited classes for free. So sign up at theyogalily.com. TheYogalily.com. Namaste.